Welcome to the Belt and Road Face to Face.
至今，乔帐子剪纸已经有100多年的历史。
I'm always impressed with the way they come up with something very unique. We can bring our cultures to each other through media, through interaction.
You are watching the Belt and Road Face to Face. We're moving to the third part, culture. In Chengde, Hebei province, there is a village called Qiaozhangzi, known for its paper cutting. People there are all good at paper cutting. Let's watch a short video.
乔帐子村位于河北省承德市承德县高寺台镇，就是这个不起眼的小山村，在2002年时被河北省文化厅命名为河北民间艺术之乡。年关将近，几乎家家户户都已经挂上了红红的灯笼，贴上了红红的春联。偶尔有一些老人仍然遵循着老一辈留下来的传统，将火红喜庆的窗花贴在了明净的玻璃上。而制作这些栩栩如生、形态各异的窗花，就是乔帐子村的村民在进行的独有的忙年工作。
以前的这个其实那剪纸不叫剪纸，就叫窗花，就是为了过年添点喜气儿。
陈志强，乔帐子剪纸的第5代传承人，在乔帐子村，几乎80%的村民都学过剪纸这门手艺，而陈振强一家就是其中颇具代表性的剪纸世家。
自上世纪20年代初吧，从京城过来这么一个民间的艺人，传承到这个村。他当时就在村里头找一个民间的一个住户，他自己天天关上门，那个自己偷着剪。当时吧，就有一个很小的一个村的孩子们喜欢这个，就扒着门缝看，偷偷的学到了。
至今，乔帐子剪纸已经有100多年的历史。现在，剪纸艺术已经成为乔帐子村村民们生活中不可缺少的一部分。上至60几岁的老人，下至10来岁的孩童，大都能剪出五颜六色、栩栩如生的作品来。剪纸艺术中分为阴刻和阳刻，剪掉的是阳刻，留下来的是阴刻。而陈振强的作品巧妙地将阴刻和阳刻结合到了一起，阴阳相合，刀工细腻，刀口圆滑，加之爱人冷玉妹在染色工艺上的帮助，陈振强的剪纸手艺又一次突破了技法与色彩上的桎梏。
就说是以前呢，这个刀工上啊，你像这窗花嘛，它是不细腻的，是粗糙的一些东西。然后发展到现在，咱们这个刀工是特别的细腻，也就得说是，跟全国比，咱们都敢说，咱们刀工不逊色。
陈振强的母亲也是村里数得着的制作窗花的能手。早些时候，中国民间剪纸手工艺的最基本的队伍还是那些农村妇女。当时，女工是我国传统女性完美的一个重要标志。作为女工的必修技巧，剪纸也就成了女孩子从小就要学习的手工艺。
从16、17岁就开始学了。
他们从长辈或姐妹那里要来学习剪纸的花样，通过临剪、重剪、画剪，描绘自己熟悉而热爱的自然景物，鱼虫鸟兽、花草树木、亭桥风景，以致最后达到随心所欲的境界，信手剪出新的花样来。现在的乔帐子剪纸花样繁多，内容丰富多彩，不仅有体现地方特色的承德10大景、8大处，还有古代神话故事、献寿祝福图，以及各种各样的人物、脸谱等等。 村里的年味儿越发的浓了。过了年关，剪纸的年忙时节也就过去了。但是陈振强和乔帐子村前面的剪纸之路还有很长。在这个全民剪纸的村落里，我们看到的不仅是一项手艺、一种文化、一段历史，更是一种对传统的尊重，对未来的信念。
Ms. Baluch, do you know Chinese paper cutting, and does Pakistan have a similar kind of folk art forms?
I'm very well aware of the Chinese paper cutting culture, and I'm always impressed with the way they come up with some very unique. We do not have a similar paper cutting art form in Pakistan, but we have some very other unique art forms which are very unique to Pakistan, and that is called a truck art. You may know that yes. The truck art in Pakistan is very unique, that we like to paint our trucks. And if you go to Pakistan, all trucks are very finely painted and beautifully decorated, and same is with the buses. And you must sometime visit Pakistan or just see that it is a very unique culture and very unique experience traveling in those buses with beautiful flowers and paintings of individuals and animals, and with some very unique verses and songs written on the back of these buses and trucks.
Now let's get to the Wash studio to see what they are concerned about.
चे मापा दोए मुल्का ने हायर और प्राइमरी वानक जहां ने नौदर बरा कसान मुद्दतें तरोताब जोड़ मकने दाके ए नौदर बर दोए मुल्का ने सकाफत और दोस्तिया गहतर पज्जा ब्यारा ए बाबता शुमे ख्याल छिए.
Ms. Baluch, please.
Actually, this is already happening. Only last week we had here a 100-member youth delegation from Pakistan, which was invited by the Youth Federation, China Youth Federation, and they are young people from all provinces of Pakistan. They were some were sportsmen. There were many students. Some of them were a bit older. They were lawyers, but very young people who have just graduated. So most of them were students, and they came here and they visited China. They interacted with the students of China. They visited some important landmarks in China and also traveled to Anhui.
Yeah, Anhui province.
Yes, Anhui province. So it gave them an opportunity to learn about China, the Chinese cuisine, Chinese culture, music, and interact with some Chinese friends. Similarly, we have youth exchange programs of Chinese students going to Pakistan. In Pakistan, it is the Chinese embassy that takes care of selection with relevant government officials in Pakistan. Yours is 1 billion plus population, and ours is also a 200 plus million population. So not everybody can travel to the other country, but it is important that we can bring our cultures to each other through media, through interaction, and through other exchanges, through music, through art and movies, so that we understand each other and we appreciate each other's culture.
Thank you. Thank you for watching the Belt and Road Face to Face, and thank you too for coming to our show today. See you next time.